Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Google Compute Engine Committed Use Discounts. Before we proceed further, let me just quickly remind you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please log on to the YouTube and subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you never miss a video as soon as I upload it. So let us proceed with this video and let me log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. So if you are already logged on to your project that you have created, I have named my project as the my first project. You can have your project name anything else, and you can have you can create multiple projects. When you are into your project, under the compute engine section, you would go on to committed use discounts. We have already covered all these above topics. So if you will click on committed use discount, it says if you have a stable and predictable workload, you can purchase commitments to get a discount. Commit to a specific number of virtual CPUs and memory usage for a period of 1 or 3 years to pay less for a machine type. So this type of option is available in all the cloud computing platforms, whether it can be Microsoft, Amazon. They they promote these kind of strategies wherein if you stick to a particular version of an instance or a machine or a server, whatever you call it, you have to pay less with the number of years that you're using that. So if you would see the official documentation from Google, it says Compute Engine offers the ability to purchase committed use contracts in return for deeply discounted prices for VM usage. These discounts are referred to as committed use discounts. Committed use discounts are ideal for workloads with predictable resource needs. When you purchase a committed use contract, you purchase a certain amount of vCPUs, memory, GPUs, and local SSDs. So if you would check the pricing and you would stick to that version, you can have less to pay less about that. How does a committed use discount work? To use committed use discounts, you must purchase commitments through the Compute Engine API, the G Cloud command line tool, or the console that we are using. This is it. So purchase commitment for specific resources you know you will use. For example, if you purchase a commitment for 8 cores and run 24 cores during the month, you will receive committed use discount for 8 cores. So it does not make a difference if you are committed to at least what you purchased the commitment for. So if you purchase the commitment for 8 cores and you are running 24, then you will have the discount for your 8 cores. The other 16 cores will be billed at standard non-committed use rates. So if you would go to the Google Compute Engine, you say, okay, I want to purchase a commitment. Click on the purchase a commitment option. Here is commitment one for which a region if, and you will only get discount if you are using that machine for 24 cores or 16 cores in that particular region for which you have purchased the commitment. So like you are in Asia South 1, commitment type is journal verb as in 1. You set the duration for 1 year. You have the input mode as 1, machine family standard. You are purchasing a commitment for let's say 1 core, memory this. You want to add a GPU, add it. You want to add a local SSD, add it. You want to add a new reservation, you can add it. Like how would you use this commitment that you are purchasing for 1 year? Then you can have the interface type, your local SSD. It says the number of GPUs declared in the commitment has to match the total number of GPUs across all reservations. So if you are adding a reservation in your commitment that you are purchasing, the number of things that the machine uses, the number of artifacts, the articulates that the machine uses should remain same throughout. Then you can hit on the purchase button and then you will only be charged for you will be charged at a discounted rate for the number of cores or the number of GPUs or the number of reservation that you have purchased for that amount of time. So this is how the committed use discounts work in Google Cloud Platform. I hope this was informative to all of you. A gentle reminder to subscribe to this channel if you have not done till yeah, till now. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, mention them in the comment section. Till next time, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.